Welcome everyone to Satsang today. Sadhguru Shri Ananta Ji की जय हो। Today I want to start by saying, actually I have no guidance, really good guidance, I feel. But I have to trust what's coming, in my heart. Uh, One way of living could be the true way of the bhakta, the true way of the one who is in contact and in God's presence. And the other one is the one who is using spirituality to become a better person. So in today's world, what are we doing? We are using spiritual person, and that's not true spirituality. Who am I to even say what is true spirituality? Who am I? Um, but yet I find myself in this spot, and I don't miss the chance when I meet at least one or two or five or 10 or how many ever we are today, um, to communicate this, you know, um, and may God give me the words to really say how it's experienced here. Sarah, will switch one fan lower because I don't think anybody can hear. I can't speak up also, it's good. So there is a vast difference in the true way and in the way of self-help. हाँ, तो एक ढंग है स्पिरिचुअलिटी का जहाँ हम आते हैं अपने आप को हमें अच्छा लगवाना है, हेल्थ अच्छी हो जाए, है ना। आजकल है वो कुछ हेल्थ का हम वर्कशॉप देख रहे थे, कुछ ये वर्कशॉप है, ऐसा वर्कशॉप है, वैसा है। एक तो इस ढंग का है जो भी ठीक है ना, वो भी ठीक है, बट उसको हम नहीं बोल सकते कि वो भगवान की ओर रास्ता है। दैट्स नॉट द वे टू गॉड। मे बी इट्स लाइक वन स्टेप, एंड मे बी नॉट इवन दैट, यू नो देन व्हाट इज द ट्रू वे? नो, व्हाट इज, क्या है, क्या किस ढंग से हमें आना चाहिए? तो किस ढंग से हमें सत्संग में आना चाहिए? एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे क्यों है, यहाँ पे ऐसे आना चाहिए? बिकॉज it is only through this way that I can give you what I am finding. Correct? If you are coming to me, I have to give you what I'm finding in my heart. You must also have that insight. Otherwise, it's a waste. You must not come here to say, Meera spoke well. You know, um, that's just missing the point. Hmm? Um, what is to not miss the point? Hmm? So, वो तभी हो सकता है असली भक्ति, असली प्रेम, असली समर्पण, true devotion, true love, and all love is, all true love is only for God. If you are loving a human being in the worldly way and you're loving them selflessly, unconditionally, that love is for God. The other just becomes a means. So that love, that devotion, I don't know if some of you feel a longing and a devotion, and that surrender, that letting go uh, of all self-concern. Because we have so many judgments. Even now, we can come to satsang and our mind can be very active, giving the teacher marks, giving ourselves marks, figuring out how we are feeling, how she's speaking, how is the temperature, how am I sitting, how is the house, how is my house, how is her house, whatever, online, whoever is, whatever the mind could be saying, है ना? तो दिमाग का तो यही काम है। तो इसमें तो अपना एक भ्रम में है हम कि सरेंडर है, हम स्पिरिचुअल है। सो व्हाट इज, तो क्या क्या है ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी? हाँ, क्या है ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी जिसमें हम आते हैं? हम कई लोग बोलते हैं मैं तो ये कर रही हूँ, मैं तो आई एम डूइंग दिस, आई एम बीइंग वेरी स्पिरिचुअल ऑल माय लाइफ, Now, what is this? What is spirituality? Let's look at it, because jahan pe bhi I'm looking, it's all about, like my guru would say, it's a meality. Me. How, oh, Ram Bhakti, acha, how does that make me feel? है ना? Oh, Meera's retreat, Meera's session, or any spiritual gathering, I am craving, and I also crave it from my own self, because I'm a horrible, foolish girl still, and probably I'll continue to be. How far when it comes to God, who are we? Who are we? We're so stupid, all of us. It's the God, you know. So who are we? And so I'm craving to hear from my mouth and from the mouth of others love and devotion and true longing, and truly something about God. So true spirituality will not concern you. आजकल तो ये बोलना ही पाप है ना? कहीं जाएंगे तो कि आपके बारे में नहीं है स्पिरिचुअलिटी, है ना? तो people will get offended. They'll say, but you know, uh, but हाँ, मुझे तो अच्छा लगना चाहिए ना? I'm giving money. Hello, हाँ, I'm giving you my time. क्या मिला मुझे इसमें से? Like Ramdas has been talking to people. First thing they ask him, they are not. Some of you, I read your form and I read some of your, forms you had filled very sweetly. But you had no questions. You were ready to dive in. You were ready to, explore, be open. Many others have been asking him, हमें क्या मिलेगा? अपने लिए तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा बाबा, तभी मेरा रिट्रीट तो बिक भी नहीं रहा है, कोई आ भी नहीं रहा है, कोई आ ही नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि सबको क्या चाहिए? ये बेनिफिट, हेल्थ का, इमोशंस का, ये का, वो का। यहाँ पे वो सब नहीं है मेरे पास प्रभु जी की भक्ति है। हाँ, और प्रेम है उनके लिए, उनकी प्रेजेंस है। जो आप मेरे साथ रहेंगे तो अगर भगवान की कृपा है तो वो मैं एक जितनी भी पागल हो, एक जरिया बनूंगी कि आपको भी वो अ, महसूस हो। हाँ, आपको भी उसका एक टेस्ट आए, जिसमें आई फील लाइक माय डेज आर ड्राउनिंग इन दैट, तो क्या है ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी? तो आपके भीतर, विद इन यू देयर इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ द लॉर्ड, and it is a far-fetched notion in today's world, but it is a possibility to discover. I will not even go that far as a possibility to discover, but I will say that it is something which even if you taste from afar, like if you heard Krishna's payal, huh? Or Ramji's, I don't know, I've become very uh, in love with all these various expressions, whoever you take, whichever God you love. Devi Ma, you just hear her payal from far. That is enough for a donkey like me, I feel. Huh? I don't know about any greatness, I don't care about benefits, मेरे को अपने लिए क्या मिलेगा क्या नहीं मिलेगा, मेरे लिए तो यही ठीक है ना, है कि नहीं? अगर अल्लाह के मुंह से एक शब्द, हाँ, दिल दिल के अंदर से सुन लिया हमने, वन वर्ड फॉर अ भक्ता, लाइक फॉर अ devotee, वन little bit of God is enough or no? That is what I want to somehow communicate to everybody who comes, and give them an experience of it. Mm, uh, so true spirituality is about se sensing God is here with you. It's not about how God is helping me. It's about, am I able to give my life uh, to Him, and how? How? So right now, if I ask you, is God here? Is okay, let me ask another way. Is there anywhere in the world, in the universe, where God is not? We'll say no. Everyone will say no. Whether we are from this way of spirituality, that way, this or not, that, unless we are atheists, then we might say no. है ना? सब बोलेंगे कि भगवान तो है, हर जगह है ना? सब बोलेंगे, मैं आपको बोलूंगी भगवान कहाँ नहीं है, आप तो बोलेंगे हर जगह है, मैं भी बोलूंगी हर जगह है ना? ये तो हमारे, there is a deeper knowing of this. Will your mind believe? Like if you were to prove it through your mind to me, would you be able to? If I told you, no, no, prove it. You can prove that there's a glass here and that it has even a transparent liquid. Huh? But can you prove like this God is there? You can't prove, है ना? नहीं बोल सकते. But आपको कैसे पता है? फिर आप झूठ बोल रहे थे जब मैंने बोला कि भगवान कहाँ नहीं है. When I asked you, where is God not? Were you lying? No, you felt a yes in your heart. You don't know how you felt it. You had no proof of it. Do you have a proof right now? You have a proof. You have a different kind of a proof. A proof from within your heart. You just know it. These things are, we can put it in the basket of I just know it. I don't know how I know it. Nobody has taught me, told me. Your mother didn't have to tell you all your life for you to know that, yeah, God is everywhere. So, if God is everywhere and your heart knows it, आपके दिमाग को नहीं पता, आप दिमाग से you can't say कि हाँ मेरे दिमाग को पता है, ऐसे लगते हैं. कईयों को ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है कभी ना कभी, किसी को कुछ एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, किसी को कुछ हुआ. वो इतने ही so kind, so compassionate. He's so kind and so compassionate कि he has come to us in different ways. He must have knocked at your heart in a different way, at your heart in a different way. सबके दिल पे वो, सबकी जिंदगी में वो अलग अलग ढंग से दर्शन देते. अभी आपको बोलूं आपको भगवान के दर्शन हो रहे हैं, कहीं बोलेंगे हाँ, कहीं बोलेंगे ना, बट सबको पता है कि वो है. अगर सबको पता है वो है, तो क्या we all, can we say this together, that if God is here, that He is watching us, He is watching everything, nothing can be hidden from Him? Can we say that? We can say no, that nothing is hidden from Him if He is here. We can even become like this might sound like stupid and childlike. No, it's better to go for a better lecture somewhere where they're giving some nice facts from Oxford and Harvard and all. यहाँ पे तो ऐसी बचकानी बातें हैं, हाँ, और इन्हीं में you can find him, because he doesn't want anything else. He just wants an innocent heart, you know. And I just want to create a space where um, everybody feels safe and, they can just let go. So if God is here and He is watching us at every step, you might forget one of your heartbeats. You might forget 100 heartbeats in a day. In fact, I wonder how many you even remember in a day. Maybe 3 or 4, where you must have truly noticed, or maybe not even that in a day. How many days go by when we're not noticing our heartbeats? Only if, like, something happens, we get a shock and then our heart starts to beat fast and then we are like, oh my god, my heart is beating fast, है ना? तभी बोलते हैं हम कि my heart is beating fast. नहीं तो किसी को दिल दिल धड़क रहा है थोड़ी ना, किसी को एहसास, किसी का अटेंशन जा रहा है. बट ये जो प्रभु जी है ना, this one, the only one, he knows each and every heartbeat of yours. उन्होंने ही वहां डाला है. कैसे एक माँ को अपने बच्चे की हर छोटी चीज पता होती है. My mom, I'm surprised. She knows every clothes. If I have a dupatta, she knows which one it is. If I have, I'm surprised at her, involvement in my things. And vice versa. I would come to know what is my mother's, and we would come to know like that. And this God that हमारा दिल जिनको बुला रहा है, whether we know it or not, our heart is calling the Lord. He's craving the Lord deeply. He knows everything about us. तो मैं आपको ये सब क्यों बता रही हूँ? मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि असली जीने का तरीका यही है. To remember that He is watching your every moment. I can fool you, my loves. You can fool me easily, sitting here. Very easy to sit and talk big things and go back, And you can also sit and like listen like one, bird. Like everything is okay and all. But you can't hide from Him. We can't hide from Him. He is watching. He is watching. Why am I telling you this? How does it matter if He is watching? Because जैसे I'm going to try to put this in words. I don't know if I can. What is seen in my heart? जैसे मुझे बस पता है कि when I asked you where is God not, you said He is everywhere. You just know it. The same way, when you remember that He watches every step, you will just know how to be. You cannot go against that intuitive knowledge of His drishti on you, His focus on you. You can't, you will falter, you will fall, yet you will have an inner compass, which will keep you on track. So how to come to this? क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती है? क्यों नहीं रह पाते हम ऐसे? ये सुनने में तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ये ज्ञान है ना, कि हम क्यों नहीं रह पाते हम ऐसे. अब सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है और यहाँ पे हम क्या पता कर भी पाए, और कुछ समय अपनी जिंदगी में हम कर भी पाते. Some part of the day for those who are practicing some sadhana or who love God. और कईयों को कभी कभी ऐसा ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है. क्या वो चीज है जो आपके रास्ते में आती है? That thing which comes in the way is the mind. प्रेम के रास्ते में तो सिर्फ ख्याल ही आ सकते हैं ना, है ना? On the road to love, the only checkpost is thoughts. It's only the thoughts. It's not like, oh, I love better than you love. You love higher than she love. No, it's the same way we are so one. We don't. One is also very silly to say. You know, uh, there is a reservoir. There is a dam. There is this infinite love in our heart, which doesn't flow towards God, towards people, towards those we meet. Why? Because our mind is standing there like one chokidar. It doesn't allow it, and it is in the garb of saying, "I don't want to be hurt. I don't want to be betrayed. I don't want to be taken for a ride. I don't want to be taken for granted," and all of that. मगर जिसने ये चेक पोस्ट पार कर लिया है, उसको भी डर लगेगा कभी कभी, क्योंकि पास्ट कंडीशनिंग है, पास्ट थॉट्स है, उसको भी डर लग सकता है. But in spite of that, he'll be able to put those thoughts aside and still love. That's courage. है ना? Courage is not कि there's absence of all. Why would it then be called courage? Something it takes. That's why. What is it that it takes to be courageous? Something it takes to be courageous. What is it that it takes to be courageous? It takes to put this mind chatter, which is going to propose those ideas which mean something for you. It's not going to propose to you ideas which doesn't mean anything to you. It will propose only those ideas which mean something to you, and yet to put those aside is what we learn in satsang. And yet to be able to follow our heart, because nobody over here is able to just say, oh, I'm done. And yeah, I know everything and it's so easy. No, it takes a lot to live a life of faith. It's a lot of risk. It's very risky. It's very risky. It's not like, it's risky, but it's not dramatic. It's very, very inwardly risky, not outwardly like we take risk to be. Not कि सब छोड़ के मैं चली जाऊंगी हिमालय में, वहां पे तप करूंगी एक गुफा में और वहीं पे रह जाऊंगी. ऐसा नहीं है. वो तो बहुत आसान है. फिर भी अंदर अंदर जो चीजें हमने सच मानी है उनको छोड़ना, दैट इज द ट्रू रिस्क. और ये बातें सुनने में अच्छी हैं, करने में बहुत मुश्किल, नहीं होती आसानी से. That's why it takes what? It takes that leap of faith. Takes that leap of faith. तो ये जो बीच में चेक पोस्ट है मिस्टर माइंड का, जो बार बार आएगा, बार बार आएगा. It's not as if, now I know, I saw it, oh, this means that means this, and done. Spirituality has just become like this. And that's why it doesn't help when we are in trouble. It doesn't help. Barely once or twice it will help. But when really the mind is attacking, we forget, or we avoid. We have a good blocker out. We're not even able to see the issues. And I would also be like that if I did not have the right guidance. And I'm probably like that still to a large extent in many things. So nothing is so sorted and proper over here also, So what is the way that this mind comes? Let's go over it, because satsang is a place where we learn to deal with this troublemaker. This one who is the voice of reasoning. Can reason and faith go together? Can reason and faith go together? If there is reason, fully reason, all the reasons are clear, then why would you need faith? No, why would you need trust? Trust is that which doesn't require reason. No, that's why you have to trust. Agar we could calculate it and say, this means this means that, then there's no trust needed. There's no faith needed. There's no faith needed. Faith is needed where our reason can't make sense of it. That's where faith comes in. Like God, like right now, that was a beautiful example. खुद ही I'm saying beautiful, but it was a good example that how do you know God is here? Yeah. Say, is there anywhere in the world where God is not? Your heart will say yes. Maybe now you will doubt because we've gone into it a little bit. But instantly everybody says, yeah, हाँ भगवान है, हर जगह है. Is that through a reasonable way that what did you conclude it in your head? Did you conclude that in your head? No. It was it was a reply of your faith, where there was no reason, but in your heart you knew. So reason belongs to the mind, my dear, and faith belongs to the heart. And faith has no reason in it. Oftentimes you will feel that, हाँ, इसका तो reason है, इसका तो ये reason है. That's the mind's lame attempt at trying to box that which is of the heart. The mind can never know. Imagine, it can never know, no matter how many concepts you put on it, no matter what you know in your head, it is never going to carry the perfume of the heart. It cannot. It's not made like that. Can the night carry the brightness of the day? It can't. It's not possible like that. I mean, it would not be called night then, correct? So things, the matters of the heart are very different. But क्या है कि हम सब infected है ना? सबके सब रोगी है, सबको रोग हुआ है. एक रोग है समझने का, सबको समझना है ना? तभी एक सत्संग शेयर करना बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि किसी के दिल तक कैसे जाओ, इस दिमाग में अटक जाते हैं सब, है ना? मेरी भी ऐसी हालत है आपके साथ, तो टेंशन मत लो, सब मैं भी इंक्लूडेड हूँ उसमें. हाँ, तो मुझे भी इससे पार होना है, आपको भी इससे पार होना है. तो हाउ टू ओवरकम दिस? कैसे कैसे निकले ये जो चक्रव्यूह, ये जो माया जाल में है ना? हमें लगता है माया, बस बोल दिया माया, बहुत आसान है बोलना. कितना इट्स डेंस एंड इट इज अ स्लाई ट्रिक्स्टर. It's very sly. Okay, Maya is very sly. This condition of reasoning and using our mind, it's very sly. So it will feel like as if it is very true, very real. It will make you feel like it's concerned about you. It will feel, mind will come as if it's concerned about you. So this is the thing, that the mind talks as if it is your best friend who is very, very concerned about you. And that is because we are all very shaken up when we don't have any crutches to hold, and fairly so, because we haven't seen the other side yet. Then we are like quick to go with the head. This is my condition and your condition and each one's condition. So the mind is always going to sell you. It's going to sell you a lot of true sounding things which will convince you कि इसी से आपकी जिंदगी बेटर होगी. ये नहीं है तो आपकी लाइफ अच्छी नहीं जाने वाली, है ना? तो वो ये उसका सीन है, और इस सीन में हम फंसे हुए हैं, और इसको कहते हैं माया. अब अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आप कुछ चीज जो मानते हैं that yeah, this is really like right now, is it good for me if I'm sitting here? Okay, this is, I don't know, my examples are sounding mad to me even before it's come, but I'm still gonna say it. मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ, मेरा हाथ कट जाए अगर अभी, ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है कि बुरा है? सब बोलेंगे बहुत बुरा है, हाथ कट गया बेचारी का, है ना? मेरे को भी बहुत डर लगेगा, मेरा हाथ कट गया, मुझे लगता है मुझे डर लगेगा, मैं बेहोश भी हो सकती हूँ. I can't see other people's blood. I don't know how I am about my own. Might faint. And but is it good for me or bad for me? I don't know. I don't know. And that is the madness in God's world, because He knows. I don't know. I don't know what is good for me. And when you enter into His presence, what happens when you enter into His presence? You see that He's running this world. you see that you don't know anything anyways. आपको कुछ वैसे ही नहीं पता, है ना, कुछ भी नहीं पता। आप बोलते हैं मेरा नाम ये है, मेरी एज ये है। रियली योर नेम कैन बी चेंज, नो? वील हैव अ नेमिंग सेरेमनी एंड वेयर आर वी गोइंग? ऋषिकेश, वी आर गोइंग, सॉरी, वी आर गोइंग टू ऋषिकेश। वहाँ नेमिंग सेरेमनी में नाम मीरा का चेंज कर दिया, हाँ, कुछ भी, टेबल, हाँ, कुछ भी, हाँ, पायल, फिर मीरा नहीं रही। अभी तो मैं कौन हूँ फिर? मैं कौन हूँ? तो हमें कुछ नहीं पता, अपना नाम तक नहीं पता। ये तो दिया हुआ है जो ऐसे चेंज हो सकता है। आज वी आर सो अटैच टू से मीरा मीरा मीरा, टुमारो इट विल बी लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी, फुल्ली अटैच टू दैट, हाँ, and then it can change to this Radha Radha Radha. Then it is, what are we then? What are we doing? So we don't know anything, my loves. हमें लगता है हमें बहुत कुछ पता है, हाँ, ये the realm of perception, this objective world that we are living in, we might have a little sense of, हाँ, इसमें ग्लास में पानी डालेंगे तो उड़ेगा नहीं, है ना, इसको गैस पे डाल देंगे तो उड़ जाएगा। इतना सब हमें देख देख के पता है, बट क्या हमें असली में पता है ये क्या है? पानी है, इसको तो नाम दिया हुआ है ना हमने, ऐसा। वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग, वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग। तो ये जो दिमाग पे हम, जिस रीजनिंग पे हम जी रहे हैं, हमें तो अपना यही नहीं पता कि दिमाग में अगला क्या आएगा, क्या बोलता है ये दिमाग, क्या बोलता है? डू यू नो? डू यू नो व्हाट यू विल नो नेक्स्ट through your mind? Do you know what your mind will say next? You don't know. It's a huge deal. I'm also seeing as I'm saying it. I keep saying it, but I have not seen it properly. Maybe that's why I keep saying it. Or maybe we all as a Sangha have not seen this. That's why God puts these words that I am living through my mind. But क्या मुझे सच्ची में पता है मेरा दिमाग क्या बोलेगा? अगला, what will be the next thought? I don't know. And this is the instrument on the basis of which I'm living. And what am I exchanging in the process? I am exchanging God's will. God's will, to live by His will. There is a way, my loves. There is a way that it switches. Like right now for me. There is a way right now for me. I can feel it, you know, where I'm not using my mind. And I'm waiting for these words to come. And they are appearing absolutely fine. You know, there are also words that I don't use in my day-to-day language, and they happen to come up in satsang, and it's okay. He does it so perfectly. But how does he do it? कैसे होता है ये? तो ऐसा होने के लिए we have to love him, long for him, want him badly, desperately. Number one, एक ढंग ये है भक्ति का, भगवान को प्रेम करो, भगवान को याद करो, उनको अपना मानो। भगवान मेरे हैं, my God, my Lord, like that. One way is this, that मेरे प्रभु, मेरे प्रभु, मेरे प्रभु। और दूसरा ढंग ये है कि दिमाग से, द वे ऑफ ज्ञाना, कि दिमाग से नहीं जीना है। दिमाग ने मेरी बैंड बजा के रखी है ना? That the mind has driven me nuts. When I need its help, it's dagabaz. It is a huge scamster. It'll leave me the time I need it. And even if it's not leaving you, trust me, it is the game of Maya. Nothing can be known through your top compartment. Nothing of value. It is not the way to what your heart longs for, and all our heart longs for what? It longs for eternal life, eternal rest, a deathless discovery, a meeting, a darshan with who we are, or God. This is what our heart longs for. दिमाग, जैसे कि आपको मैं बोलूं कि आप पानी से, पानी से टेबल उठा लीजिए, उठा सकते हैं? पानी से टेबल उठा लीजिए, कितना स्टूपिड लग रहा है ना? पानी से टेबल उठा लीजिए, हाँ? ग्लास से फिर भी उठा ले, 2 गिलास से, पानी से कैसे उठा ले? इज इट पॉसिबल? The same way, what your heart longs for, you cannot discover through your mind. Hmm? And we are slaves to living through it. Hmm? And that process of disconnection from the head and dropping into the heart happens through satsang. And I'm going to attempt it in the retreat that we will have. अब retreat में ऐसे सत्संग तो होगा ही, मगर और भी बहुत सी चीजें करेंगे हम, जिससे जो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ वो आपका एक्सपीरियंस हो जाए। अभी आपको सुनने में पहली बार मुश्किल भी लग रहा होगा कईयों को, हाँ, कईयों को अच्छा भी लग रहा होगा, कईयों को लग रहा होगा, some could be neutral about it, but इसमें उतरने के ढंग है ना? सबसे सबसे 2 बड़े ढंग हैं, मुझे लगता है। हर ढंग बड़ा है, हर ढंग बड़ा है, जिससे भगवान मिल जाए वो बहुत बड़ा ढंग है ना? That way is massive in which you can have a darshan of him, no? Uh, who has, who do you know around you in your life who can say that I had a darshan of God, or I'm living my life, craving for him? We don't know such people anymore in the world, and that's very sad, है ना? क्योंकि कोई खुश नहीं है, बाहर भारी भारी खुशी है ना? Dead dead life है, zombie, like my guru calls it a zombie life. तो एक ढंग है भगवान का नाम लेने का, है ना? We are going to learn that in the retreat, where we take God's name. We learn how to dive into uh, jap like never before. I want to make it like that because it's what has helped me so much. And not personally, it's helped me get rid of this stupid girl, a lot. It's helped me get rid of this girl, who is in the way, who is in God's way. So, जाप और क्या है? और बेसिक्स, कई लोग नए होंगे, जो बहुत एडवांस हैं वो तो और भी पीछे हो गए हैं अब, तो उनको दोबारा याद दिलवाना कि हम सब अभी बच्चे, है ना? मेरे लिए भी अच्छा है ना, मैं भी कुछ आता जाता तो है नहीं। तो फिर ये सत्संग के थ्रू वी विल लर्न हाउ टू रियली dissect the tricks of the mind, which we can't spot usually अपने आप से, but we have sensed it. ऐसा नहीं है कोई भी जिसको ये बोला जाए और जो थोड़ा भी spiritual है, that they won't be able to say, yeah, I have sensed this, yeah, I have battled with this, yeah, I have struggled with this. तो वो है। और कुछ meditations हैं, हाँ, but ये सब why are we doing, why are we doing all these things, so you can carry them home with you, कि आपकी लाइफ ऐसी हो जाए, है ना? ये अटेम्प्ट है, कि आपकी लाइफ में चेंज हो कोई, ऐसे ही ऊपर ऊपर से नहीं जी रहे हम। वी आर गोइंग डीपर, वी आर गोइंग डीपर। सो या, सो anybody has any questions now, I'm happy to take them. Reports, questions, anybody has anything, I'm happy to hear. It's okay if it's not about what I said, you can just bring it up, my dear, it's okay. अशोक जी, सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, can't hear you, can't hear you, sorry, maybe you can remove the headphones, is it possible? Can't hear you. Can't hear you, my dear. Maybe you can remove the headphones, it will be easier. And come back to you. Anyone else has anything? So where are you all getting stuck? Um, Nobody is getting stuck in this Sangha. Everybody is a very pro Gyani Dhyani Babaji in my Sangha. Everybody is like sorted and uh, everybody is sorted. No, I'll come to your satsangs. Please call me. Huh? I'm happy to come. I just want to hear rather than speak. Hmm? Say Bhairav.
नमस्ते
Say my dear.
माँ, आपकी हेल्प से फेथ हो रहा है बिल्डअप, समझ रहे हैं कि क्या मतलब कैसे जो हम लोग रेगुलरली लाइक आपने बोला रीजनिंग करते हैं वो रीजन सही नहीं है, बट मैं कहाँ अटक रहा हूँ कि दोनों साथ में चल रहे हैं, लाइक फेथ भी आ रहा है एंड उसके साथ लॉजिक भी, मतलब लॉजिकल है तो फेथ है, वहां मैं बहुत अटक रहा हूँ, लाइक इट फील्स लाइक करना भी है बट फिर माइंड बीच में आ जाता है कि अरे ये लॉजिकल नहीं है, ऐसा हुआ तो क्या, वैसा हुआ तो क्या, एक अजीब सा डर है कि वो फेथ कुछ गलत में ना कन्वर्ट हो जाए। वैसे
So this is good that what you are saying because first of all, if it's logical, it's not faith. So don't even say, my dear, that I'm living in faith, but there is logic. That is like as if it's very bright and sunny in the night. And the second part that you said, सब खराब हो जाएगा अगर मैं फेथ से चलूंगा, सब सही तो जा रहा है। हाँ, तो देर इज नो गारंटी। जो आपको लगता है सही, सपोजिंग देर इज अ बिग ट्रबल इन योर हाउस, supposing parents are not talking to you, nobody is talking to you at home, like that. So for your mind, it could be a very disturbing situation. Maybe that is what is needed. God knows better, your mind knows better. हमारा faith is based on our idea. That's not faith, first of all. That is just greed of the ego. है ना बेटा? ego, जो ego है ना, वो इतना एक hungry beast है, उसको सब खाना है। कैसे खाना है? जो उसका टेस्ट है उसी ढंग से खाना है। और उसका क्या टेस्ट है? उसका टेस्ट है सफरिंग। सपोजिंग वी फीलिंग प्राइड, गुड, कुछ मुझे चाहिए था, मेरा मन है कि सत्संग में आके भैरव स्पीक्स टू मी विद utmost respect. This is the ego's version I'm saying, just very bad example, but supposing this is the thing. The ego wants that, oh, Kamna has come, now she'll speak to me with utmost respect, and then the ego will feel like glorified. Maybe Bhairav comes and says, Ma, what you said, no, it really hurt me and it's not good. Maybe that's not what the ego wants to hear. The ego wants to be glorified. But do I know in that moment what is good for me? Maybe that is better for me to keep my ego in check. Otherwise, I'll become like one Ravan if all my kids come and say, wah, 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 wah. Maybe that is better for me. So who knows what is good? All these are, my loves, preconceived notions of the ego, which is pretending to tell you that आप मुझे ये बोल रहे हो कि मेरी ईगो को नहीं है पसंद, मेरे दिल में मुझे झलक मिलती है कि प्रभु जी हैं, but my ego is like, but this is what I want, and if it doesn't go that way, then I will make you suffer. Why? How can it make you suffer, my love? It can only make you suffer because you still listen to this one. And remember one thing, you pray to Jesus, no? What did he say? The faith of a mustard seed, the size of a mustard seed, can move a mountain. So before we make a statement that I have a little bit of faith also, then our faith must be at least half of a mustard seed. And then that shouldn't give us any problems in our day-to-day life, because the size of a mustard seed can move a mountain. Literally, like Hanumanji carried. That was the faith of a mustard seed, size of a mustard seed. So we can't say we even know the F of faith yet. It's a far game. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. New age spirituality है, जो भी सुना सत्संग में या कहीं बुक में पढ़ा या क्या, हाँ ये तो मेरे साथ हो रहा है. I'm not just saying for भैरव, हम सब कर रहे हैं ये. हाँ ये इतना तो मेरे साथ हो रहा है, ये तो हो रहा है. अरे तो Jesus is mad or we are mad? Who is? I must be fully mad and deluded, my love. I don't know about the rest of you. I have no faith that I can move the tree and plant it into the ocean, he said. मेरे पास नहीं है मस्टर्ड सीड, मैं तो दूर हूँ फेथ से. अभी मेरी कोशिश है कि कहीं दूर से भी एक झलक मिल जाए, उससे मैं तृप्त हो जाऊं. जीना है. My attempt is that I want to. Now the other thing is, one very important thing I want to tell you all. It's very important. जो चीज हमें समझ नहीं आती ना, जो हमारे समझ में नहीं आती, उससे हम भाग जाते हैं. एंड ऐसे करके ना बहुत सारे बच्चे चले भी गए हैं और चले भी जाएंगे, और मैं भी उनमें से एक हो सकती हूँ. I could also be that one. Till we are understanding everything, it's all goody spirituality. हाँ? जहाँ कुछ it's not fitting our plans, we want to run. We want to be actually, our ego wants to be massaged in every way, and now in a spiritual way. ये ऐसी जगह नहीं है. ये तो सत्संग ऐसा है ही नहीं वैसे भी, है ना. आप ख्याली पुलाव यहाँ बना सकते हैं बहुत सारे, और सबने बना रखे. Everybody is here thinking they are advanced spiritual seekers, but my job is to bring my kids back on earth so they become humble, and to show them that, my dear, do you really have the faith of a mustard seed also to begin with, to say that I have a little bit of faith? है ना. We don't have. So be very careful. आपको ये भी पता है faith होता क्या है? What is faith?
लाइक जैसे आप पहले बता रहे थे कि समथिंग दैट डजंट गो विद रीजन,
हाँ, and
जो समझ नहीं आता.
बता रही थी, मगर आपको क्या लगता है फेथ? वो तो मैं बता रही थी. मैं जो बताती हूँ वो तो कोई भी रिपीट कर देगा अभी, है ना बेटा. यहाँ पे जो भी है सब रिपीट कर देंगे. आप बोल रहे हैं आप जिंदगी में फेथ थोड़ा सा आपके अंदर आ रहा है ना, तो वो आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे? बट फेथ इज दैट विच इज योर इंसाइट, योर इंट्यूटिव इंसाइट, द इंसाइट ऑफ द लॉर्ड्स प्रेजेंस, which can be trusted more than the ideas of the mind. For me, that is faith. It's an intuitive way of living. It's utmost trust in the Lord's ways. It cannot be this way that reason even comes close to it. But I also mentioned कि हाँ, the mind will throw its old conditions. It will tell you कि तेरे से नहीं होगा, leave it. You are not going to be able to do it. Or it will judge, or it will comment. In spite of that, you have to do it. But before that, we have to slow down. And very important thing is that when you don't understand something, you can't conclude, because there is a desperate attempt to conclude in us. This is what Meera said, and now let me just fit it into a package and just keep it. So in satsang, I will advise you all to not do that. कुछ कंक्लूड ही मत करो, बस खुला रहो. जो दिल में आपको, आपके दिल में जो बसना है वो बस जाएगा, और जो नहीं बसना वो कुछ भी करके, इनफैक्ट आप करेंगे तो दिमाग में बसाएंगे, वो तो बहुत ही गलत बात है. आपको वो कुछ हेल्प नहीं करने वाला, because that will make you have a false notion that you know something, which is called pride. That spiritual pride is such a stinker. It's so sick. You can see it in me, I can't see it in me. Spiritual pride is such that it's a blind spot. You can't see it in yourself. You will feel very sorted. The others can, it will stink so bad that the others can smell it. Can't we smell like somebody who's, but they are feeling very great about themselves. And some part of it, a lot of it I have, a lot of it you have. So don't shy away from saying कि नहीं नहीं, pride, मैं और proud, वो क्या होता है? मैं तो बहुत humble हूँ. हाँ, मैं तो बहुत humble हूँ यार, मेरा क्या? ऐसे भ्रम में मत रहना, फिर कभी निकलेंगे ही नहीं. अगर हमें लग रहा है गटर में ही हमारा स्वर्ग बसा है, तो कौन निकालेगा? फिर हमें वहीं रहो, वहीं बसा लो अपनी दुनिया, वहीं रहो. हाँ तो it's good that you're saying this. I'm happy. Never shy away from sharing, my dear, and keep this openness कि if I tell you something, that you take it for your good, है ना? And I can
Yes.
see that you're not, sometimes it sounds very offending to the ego. Ego doesn't want to hear all this, huh? कि I come up in satsang in front of 20-30 people. ये तो मुझे बोल रही है कि faith ही नहीं है. हाँ, कैसे बोल सकते? Ego is like that. हाँ, मगर आपके दिल में पता है कि हाँ, she is my teacher, and I have given her the right. If you take away this right, then I can't tell you, no. If you don't show up, you take away the right, then I can't tell you. But till I have the right, I'll exercise my duty. It's not my power, it's somewhere my duty, if I come to satsang, that if I notice something in a brother and sister, I must tell them, if they don't live with this blind spot, why? Me and Sama were having this conversation, no? क्यों आपको ये ब्लाइंड स्पॉट देखने की जरूरत है? क्या जरूरत है? हाँ, मेरी लाइफ अच्छी हो जाएगी, मैं अच्छे से जीऊंगी, सबके लिए नहीं. ब्लाइंड स्पॉट देखने की जरूरत है क्योंकि ये चीज इज अ शटर बिटवीन गॉड्स लाइट टू फ्लो आउट ऑफ योर हार्ट. इट डजंट अलाउ योर हार्ट टू शाइन फोर्थ. It doesn't allow your light to shine forth. है ना? These blind spots, these things, that what are they? They are the positions that the mind takes. Like in the front, it's sitting like that, huh? It's taken a position and it's blocked your light. And these little things are big things. Like a speck of dust in the eye is like going to really disturb you, not let you see anything. Like no matter how big the sun is, if I just put one finger in front of both my eyes, I can't see it. You see?
Yes. Yes.
So follow. Keep your head down. Like I know when I spot pride in me, I'm so grateful. I know how foolish I am. It makes me feel so foolish. What a dumb girl. How could I believe that about myself? How could I feel I'm great? And then I remember that my place is under my father's shoe. Not even that. Under the Guru's shoe is my place. Even the dirt and the dust under his foot must be better. I have to remember it, that my place is under his shoe. And may my head never, ever look up in pride or, in some dirty way. And it does. And it does again and again. It does. That is the human condition. Again and again. And again we put it down. Right? That is the way of humility, bhakti, or maybe I'm one little part of it, I guess. So,
Yes. Thank you.
Sama, you have some questions too? I'll come to you.
माँ क्वेश्चन नहीं है, पर आप पूछ रहे हैं हम स्टक कहाँ हो रहे हैं, तो मैं तो स्टक ही हूँ मतलब।
High five.
मतलब आपने बोला कि बहुत एफर्ट लगाना है, तो मुझे ये भी नहीं पता ठीक से कि कैसे एफर्ट लगाना है। प्रे कर रही हूँ।
बस प्रे करना है। आपको मैंने प्रेयर दी है. I'll introduce these prayers to all of you also, and who don't have the prayers, मगर पूरे जी जान के साथ आपको एक ढंग बताया है. When we pray also, we see how dry our prayer is, you know, how dead and dry our prayers are. एक दिन तो जब फील में आएंगे तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें बोल देंगे. बाकी if we had to do it morning to night, how is it? कोई जिक्र कर रहा है, कोई प्रेयर कर रहा है, कोई चैंट्स कर रहा है. हम्म हमेशा नहीं है कि हम बोलें कि या अल्लाह, या अल्लाह, या अल्लाह. हमारा दिल तो कहता है कि यार हर बार, हर शब्द में मिठास हो. Every word must be laden with this nectar. We crave that. Doesn't happen. But must that mean that, oh, I just leave it and sit and chill, let me watch Netflix instead? मेरे पास तो भाई टाइम नहीं है इसके लिए. आप कर रहे हैं तो ठीक है, करिए, मगर भगवान को मत भूल जाइए. मेरे पास तो मुझे लगता है टाइम ही नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे जैसा बुद्धू डफर तो होगा नहीं. उसको तो कितनी एफर्ट डालनी पड़ेगी. भगवान, अगर भगवान की प्राप्ति अगर एक ख्याल भी है मेरे लिए अभी, if it's not even my belief, how much effort, because look at the way I'm living my life. I'm nothing, dead. And whatever his presence is here, you know, it's his gift. I don't know why that I feel his presence. I don't deserve it, and if I want to meet him and live with him deeply, I have to give my all. It's God. Like I've been saying, if I had to meet Prime Minister Modi, if I had a huge, I mean, I'm sure many of you don't want to meet him, even I don't. But I'm just giving that example, for lack of a better example. अगर मोदी जी से मिलना है, पूरी जिंदगी बहुत बड़े फैन है हम शाहरुख खान के, चलो उससे मिलना है, 3 साल वेट करके चौथे साल मिलेंगे. तो वेट करने के लिए कई लोग जो दीवाने हैं वो तैयार है. आई used to live in बॉम्बे, वो मन्नत के सामने खड़े रहते थे, हर रोज खड़े हैं शाम को कि एक झलक मिल जाए, वो बर्थडे पे बाहर आ जाए, ये हो जाए, वो हो जाए, है ना. तो भगवान के लिए इतना दीवानापन भी है जो एक मूवी स्टार के लिए होता है दुनिया में. नहीं है. मैं ही पहले ही आंसर कर, आप हाँ या ना बोले उससे पहले मैंने कर दिया. मैंने ऐसा दीवानापन देखा ही नहीं है, किसी के पास नहीं है ऐसा. You have to know the truth of who am I. Do you know who you are? Do you know? If I asked you who are you, you don't know. Hmm? उतना भी, this is a good one. I'm liking this, huh? That there is a craze, no, for Bollywood celebrities. There is a madness. माँ बाप अपने बच्चों की फोटो नहीं रखते इतने ध्यान से जितनी अपनी, ओ देखो शाहरुख खान से मिले थे तो दिस शाहरुख खान. हाँ? There is a craze, like they are more proud to show I met this celebrity and that celebrity. Probably a flight with, say, a Virat Kohli sitting next to them, they will remember much more than their own child sitting next to them. How is it? That craze is there, no? I'm not saying it's good or bad. Don't take it in that way that, oh, why parents should be like this, that. No. I'm saying that kind of madness do we have for God? That God should be one day sitting next to me? Even in his form, I want a darshan. Forget the formless. तो ये पागलपन लाना है, थोड़ा उसको लाने में टाइम लगेगा. आपने कितनी देर तो पूजा करी होगी जिंदगी में? 2 महीने. उसमें क्या होगा? जोक लग रहा है मुझे तो सुन के. 2 महीने में कुछ नहीं होगा. तो मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ कि ऑल द साधुज एंड ऑल द सेजेस आर नॉट मैड टू वेट years and years. Mirabai was a gopi in Krishna's time. Her name was Madhavi. she died and she took Jal Samadhi in that time because she couldn't meet Krishna because he had left Vrindavan and gone to Dwarka. And then thousands of years later she was born again. बोलते हैं ना कि मैंने कितने हजारों साल भगवान को मिलने के लिए वेट किया, उनके साथ ऐसे हुआ. फिर पूरी जिंदगी वेट करा कि कृष्णा आएंगे और मुझे ले जाएंगे. फिर जाके कहीं लास्ट में उनको दर्शन हुए भगवान के, बहुत बार हुए. हमारी लाइफ है ऐसी. ये क्यों आए ये इतने सेजेस और ये सब, क्यों हम इनकी स्टोरीज बात भी कर रहे हैं? हमारी बस की नहीं है. इट इज योर कैपेसिटी, यू जस्ट डोंट नो इट. दैट इज माय प्रॉब्लम. My problem is you don't know you don't know. Life is not just so little like a peanut dead way that we are living. Oh, I like to wear this. I like to eat this. You know, I made some sushi today. Rubbish. 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 Yeah. The nectarine capacity of your heart overflowing, you're missing out on. Nectar is there, nectar. I don't know why I keep seeing that nowadays because I feel it like that. It's so it's like he pours his nectar through his presence. His presence is nectar. That's why we get addicted. है ना? जो लोग भगवान को प्यार करते हैं उसमें there's a depth of such sweetness that one cannot explain it, and each time it gets sweeter. No? So keep on going. Whether it's dry, it's dead, it's bad, it's troublesome. Keep on going for 12 years. Then we will talk. यहाँ तो हजारों साल हैं, हमारे तो 10 साल नहीं देने हमें. 6 दिन में क्या इफेक्ट मिलेगा बताओ? रामदास बताएगा हमें, इतने लोगों को बताया भी बताएगा. हाँ, Ramdas, my man to tell. He's been calling up people and people have been in touch with him for the retreat. So everybody's asking, what will we get? What will you tell? हाँ, क्या मिलेगा 6 दिन में? सब कुछ भी मिल सकता है, सब कुछ मिलने का रास्ता मिल सकता है ना? मिलेगा. अगर जो ऐसे भूखा आएगा उसको मिलेगा, जो हंग्री आएगा उसको मिलेगा. जो ऐसा बुझा बुझा चिराग आएगा वो और परेशान होके बेचारा चले जाएगा. Today I was telling my mom wanted to come, for the retreat, and she's very sweet, very innocent, and she doesn't have a spiritual background or anything, but I know she's had, something has knocked at her heart, at the door of her heart, God. And I told her, Mama, my retreat can be like a torture camp for those who don't love God. And for those who love God, it can be like a rejoicing. It can be so beautiful. है ना? और मुझे अगर भनक भी आ जाए किसी के दिल में भगवान के लिए प्रेम है तो मैं उनको खुद ही बुला रही हूँ कि तुम आ जाओ भाई. तो क्योंकि मिलते नहीं है ऐसे लोग. बाहर से मेरे भी इश्यूज हैं, आपके भी, सबके इश्यूज हैं, है ना? कोई ज्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता है, कोई ज्यादा परेशान हो जाता है, कोई ज्यादा टेंशन ले लेता है, कोई ज्यादा जज कर लेता है लोगों को, कोई जेलस हो जाता है, कुछ ना कुछ वी ऑल हैव. बट दिल में तो those who have love for God. So it can either be a torture or it can be a full joy. बीच में जो सेल्फ हेल्प है वो नहीं. मैं क्यों दूं आपको जब वो मैं खुद को नहीं दूंगी, है ना? I can't give you that I won't give myself. I wouldn't put myself through that. How could I put you through that? ठीक है सैम. सो कंटिन्यू माय डियर. हाँ, कंटिन्यू. आपको पता ही नहीं है कुछ तो मेरे कंधे पे भार रख के चलो जब तक नहीं पता. और दीवानापन लाना है भगवान के लिए. गॉड क्रेजी. I feel like you can become like that. You are a crazy girl, no? Huh? You have a craziness about you, but that gets expressed in the outward way. You have to now channel it inward. Outwardly, there's a madness, no? But that madness has to go inward. Mhm. So you have to direct it. The current has to now flow inward. So keep trying like this. Don't worry. Don't worry. Continue like this. Yeah.
Thank you.
Vinny?
माँ मुझे एक रिपोर्ट देनी थी।
Yes, my sweetie pie.
मैंने मैंने 1 हफ्ते से प्रेयर नहीं करी।
मैं ऐसे ही समझ गई मैंने पे। कुछ नहीं होता, अब 1 हफ्ता आप वापस ला सकते हैं? नहीं ला सकते ना, अब चला गया तो चला गया। अब एक चीज कर सकते हैं कि आज भी हम वेस्ट कर दें ये सोचते हुए कि मैंने 1 हफ्ते से प्रेयर नहीं करी, देन एक और दिन चले जाएगा, फिर हम सोचेंगे कल 1 हफ्ता और 1 दिन, 8 दिन से मैंने प्रेयर नहीं करी, एक और दिन चला गया, फिर ऐसे करते करते 2 हफ्ते से मैंने प्रेयर नहीं करी। तो दिमाग ऐसा है, बहुत चालाक है, पहले तो करने नहीं देगा, फिर सोचेगा कि मैंने करने नहीं दिया। So don't go down that path. You have to be a little bit straight, not too dramatic in the head and emotional, all of you. Emotions are a killer. Okay, be very zen-like, start now. Start now. Love him now. He only wants you to love him. You think he wants your respect, your devotion? Do you think he will get even उनमें क्या हम 4 चांद लगा देंगे अपने प्यार से भगवान में? हाँ, क्या कर लेंगे हम? मुझे तो हंसी आ रही है बोलते हुए भी। हाँ, कुछ कर लेंगे? भगवान है बाबा, हमें जरूरत है उनकी, उनको नहीं है हमारे प्रेम, रिस्पेक्ट, पूजा की जरूरत, हमें है क्योंकि हम भटके हैं, है ना? तो अभी स्टार्ट कर, अभी कर लो, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे। डोंट थिंक अबाउट ओ मैंने 1 हफ्ते से प्रेयर नहीं करी। स्टार्ट बेटा, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, स्टार्ट
तो वो
ना।
कांस्टेंट बैशिंग, फिर अगेन भी रोना कि नहीं कर रही हूँ, ऐसा
ये
क्यों वैसा।
शुरू में बेटा ऐसे होगा ना, शुरू में ऐसे होगा। हाँ, कभी ऐसे होगा, फिर ऐसे होगा, फिर ऐसे होगा, फिर ऐसे होगा। That means you will feel out disconnected and then you will feel connected. You will feel disconnected, you will feel connected. Remember that he gives you this to make you strong. He gives you this because he knows what to give you. हमारा बस चले तो क्या बोलेंगे हम? सब बहुत अच्छा अच्छा चले, है ना? सब बहुत अच्छा अच्छा चले, कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम ही ना हो, उससे will we grow? Will we value? Will we become humble? Imagine if I come and share satsang and my life is just easy. I'll become like the next Ravan, yeah, I feel. I'll be the next Ravan. I'm sorted. I have no problems in my life. I have students. Where I share satsang. God's presence is also apparent in my heart. I'm sorted, yeah. Ravan mode, this is. This is called Ravan. Versus कि हाँ, I can't afford to be proud. If I become proud and go into my head, I'll lose his presence. Look how easily I go astray. 1 हफ्ते के लिए I don't pray. मुझे effort डालनी है. I have to put my head down and I have to beg him for his mercy. Help me, help me. Pride is what? My will, my will, my will. है ना? हाँ, मैं जो बोलूं वही हो, है ना? तो this keeps us humble. God knows what to give us, what's good for us. So don't worry. Start today. ठीक है? Start now. Start now. Don't
थैंक
worry.
यू।
Yes, welcome. Sarah wants to say something?
Firstly, Ma, it's so humbling to be here in your presence. Like, so humbling. इतनी हवे में उड़ते रहती हूँ. Just, and I also want to confess one thing. I'm so embarrassed. It was at work. So, these colleagues of mine, they were trying to play games. And I was like, okay, now I will also teach you a lesson, kind of like that. And when I did it, and she responded, why did you put that on the mail? Like it was very small if you see outwardly, but it is not. Because then I felt, no, I don't
Not the
think,
right way.
yeah. And that one thing that would Christ do it, you have to,
Yes.
and I'm like, Christ would not do it. And I'm like, no, I have to repent on this, howsoever it feels so right in my mind that enough, that they have to stop behaving like that with me. I'm like, no.
Fairness. It's not fair. Do we really know what's fair? Supposing somebody takes me for a ride. Somebody takes me for a ride. Somebody keeps asking me for money, supposing. Again and again. And their excuses sound really true and real. If supposing I talk to my friends and family and all, they'll say, stop it, they're taking you for a ride, sue them, this, that. But do I really know if that's fair or not? Would not any God that we so say that we pray to, we all say, no, I pray to this one, that one. मैं तो राम जी का भक्त हूँ, मैं तो हनुमान का भक्त हूँ, मैं तो कृष्णा का भक्त हूँ, मैं तो क्राइस्ट का भक्त हूँ. क्यों भक्त है हम? भक्त का क्या मतलब है? मतलब क्या है कि मैं उनसे सीख लूं कि जो वो जैसे थे मैं वैसे बनूं, है ना? भक्त का मतलब थोड़ी ना मैं उनकी पूजा करूं और हाँ 1 घंटा मैंने पूजा किया, मुझे मेरे पैसे दे देना, मुझे मेरे अच्छे रिलेशनशिप दे देना, मुझे मेरी बॉडी ठीक रखना, आप मेरे सर्वेंट बन जाना. बट भक्त मैं आपका हूँ, है ना? भक्त मैं आपका हूँ बट आप मेरे सर्वेंट जैसे रहना. ओके, नो योर प्लेस. वी आर टेलिंग गॉड दिस ऑल द टाइम इन द नेम ऑफ भक्ति. भक्त का असली मतलब है कि आई एम इन एन एम्यूलेशन ऑफ दैट वंस earthly incarnation, or an incarnation which is fathomable by my mind, because in their true form that they are not fathomable by my mind, that I'm going to be in an emulation of them. So yeah, like this, thank God. And suffering will follow, my dear. Suffering will follow if we hit back. Who are we hitting back on? God. Every attack on anyone is an attack on God directly. So this is the way to learn. I'm very happy, I'm very proud of you that you are saying it, and yeah, you have to become Christ, like you don't have a choice. Otherwise, you'll suffer. What are your options? Suffering, or to emulate your Isht, like they call him, call her. Your God that you connect to. The form, the expression of the Lord that rings a bell in your heart.
You said no, that you don't know how every situation is like a blessing, and I hope it continues. Even if दिमाग कह रहा है कि नहीं चाहिए, सच्ची कभी कभी लगता है नहीं, जरा शांत रखो भगवान, प्लीज बी जेंटल ऑन मी. डू आस्क हिम so many times that it's enough, that I know that, but I'm not shifting. No, in like the way you're saying be crazy for him, वो हो नहीं रहा है ना. तो there was one jhalak ma where at one moment I did not listen to my mind. Like it came, oh, it is a possibility not to believe my mind.
That moment to moment you have to live, my dear. That moment cannot be of the past. It doesn't matter because the memory tries to convolute everything. So you have to live behind everything. I'll explain this a little bit and you can follow as I'm saying. So you have to live behind your thoughts. Number one. Then you have to live behind your bodily sensations. Number two. And then the main thing is you have to live behind your emotions. Number three. There where you live behind all of this, and if it is too much for the newer ones, it's okay. You will come to that if you continue to be in satsang. But behind these three layers, there is an intuitive meeting with a nothingness, and that nothingness is the invitation for God. वहां पे अगर आपने रहना सीखा है, जहां कोई ड्रामा ही नहीं है ना, उधर ड्रामा नहीं है, ड्रामा है in these layers, body, mind and emotion. इसके पीछे रहना है आपको, याद रखना, ये प्रैक्टिस करना, जो कर सकता है ये प्रैक्टिस करने की चीज है। प्रैक्टिस कैसे करना है? बार बार टू रिटर्न behind, to slip under these three layers, and you can't understand because the understanding you have to put aside first. वो पहले जाना है। Behind these three layers if you live, वही शांति है और कहीं नहीं है। और कहीं नहीं। Zara, you have to live like this, my dear. And again and again you have to attempt. Sima?
Yes, sir.
Because at the level where the problem happens, it cannot be solved. So every problem cannot be fixed. Every problem cannot be fixed. Every problem can only be transcended. How is it transcended? When the playground changes. So if there is shooting happening in one place, you have to leave that place and go to a safer place. That safe place is this place that I'm telling you. This is the heart. The heart is not the emotions. हम emotions पे रुक जाते हैं ना। ये जो प्रभु जी का निवास है, प्रभु जी का निवास स्थल, स्थान हमारे अंदर, जहाँ पे वो आ सकते हैं, है ना। एक भक्त बोलेगा वहां आ सकते हैं, है ना। वहां जो वो आ सकते हैं वो वहीं आ सकते हैं। तो अगर वहां हमें ठहरना पड़ेगा, वहां रहना सीखना पड़ेगा। हम कहाँ रह रहे हैं? दिमाग में अच्छा लग गया, बॉडी में अच्छा लग गया, कोई स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए हमें, बस कुछ दिख जाए, कुछ सुन जाए, कुछ, वो सब परसेप्शन के लेवल पे है। एवरीथिंग इन द परसेप्चुअल वे दैट योर फाइव सेंसेस कैन परसीव, योर माइंड कैन थिंक, बिकॉज माइंड इज ऑल्सो परसेप्शन, बिकॉज यू कैन सी इट, you can see visuals, you can hear the sound, or sensations in the body, all can be perceived, emotions can be perceived, you can sense, oh mere dil mein ye ho raha hai, this area, this is happening, that. So all perceptual can be perceived. Beyond that, beyond all perception, in that nothingness, there में तो हम डीपली उतरेंगे ऋषिकेश में। This is fine. Don't worry about that.
One more question about self-concern. Okay, what is really self-concern?
The concern about self-concern is a problem in spirituality. We are now very concerned about self-concern. That is a big disease we have. So forget about this word only, because it's been troubling you way too long now. Forget you ever heard self-concern. Just forget about it. You pray and you stay where I told you. What did I tell you? Hmm. 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 Very good. Very good. Remember this and follow it and follow it and follow it. Very good. Anyone else online? You want to say, my dear, something? You want to ask?
Like, I don't know the prayer how it's done. So like that is a general like सबके life issues होते हैं, right?
बिल्कुल.
There are certain uneasiness which I have developed over time. I don't know how to like it is again as you said कि mind नहीं uneasiness लाता, like let's say I don't know पहले नहीं था flight को लेके you know जैसे
डर लगता है आपको फ्लाइट में?
हाँ मतलब अब कुछ होने लगा है, पहले नहीं था तो तो ये कैसे मतलब you know I want to get rid of that,
Get
you
over
know,
that. Yeah.
somewhere.
You
It is-
live in Bangalore, my dear?
So Bangalore में I'm working.
Okay.
Otherwise I'm from Noida, Delhi, NCR. So it's a hybrid model. So hybrid model.
It's
I
a
live at
place.
both the places one month.
Hybrid model.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a thing and बाकी जो आपने कहा कि जैसे जैसे मुझे भक्ति का बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने, जितना भी सारा बोला दीवानगी के बारे में. बस एक था खाली कि मतलब थोड़ा बहुत समझा है, लेकिन अब अब नहीं इतना दिमाग लगाती कि जैसे कभी रहता है कि शुरुआत क्या है, जैसे ना ये शायद माइंड की क्यूरियोसिटी होती है और भक्ति में वो समझ में आती है शायद. तो खैर वो तो जर्नी है. बस आपकी बात सुन के ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बड़े सारे क्वेश्चंस अब नहीं है करके मे बी.
ये जो फियर है ये दिमाग कुछ ना कुछ पकड़ लेता है आपके पास, जैसे फ्लाइट का है. Everybody could have had, I'm sure has some fear, है ना? Everybody has that one fear. So it's the way of the mind to keep its claws hooked in. Because you must have no other problem otherwise. Spirituality में भी fear कर देगा कि भगवान नहीं मिलेंगे. हाँ, कुछ ना कुछ fear वो है.
वहाँ पे भी है.
हाँ, हर जगह है. उसने हर जगह claws डाले हैं. But this is the journey, my dear, that
मेरे साथ fear से मतलब अभी जो है वो फैमिली इम्पैक्ट होती है ऐसा लगता है मुझे. तो
with flight fear.
नहीं मतलब हाँ I don't travel them, you know, they have to take train and all. So मतलब हाँ उस रीजन ही होंगे, but I just want to get rid of it. तो ये recently डेवलप हो रहा है. मैं नहीं चाहती है बड़े, ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे बहुत इश्यू होता है, but
Okay, I'll tell you something. Be fearful.
हाँ
Okay?
हाँ
Be fearful of the flights. Give yourself the permission. मेरे को डर है, आ जा. फिर देखते हैं.
मैंने अंदर से डरना छोड़ दिया है.
हाँ, बस
अब
वही.
मैंने कहा कि ठीक है कुछ रीजन होगा, अब जब जाना होगा अपने आप चला.
हाँ, बस. Be scared of flights. It's okay. Because क्या है, जब उसको सॉल्व करने में जितनी एफर्ट जा रही है उससे बढ़ रहा है. उससे बढ़ रहा है. हाँ, घर वालों को थोड़े दिन सह लो. मेरे घर वाले तो क्या क्या कहते हैं आप सोचो. हाँ, सबके घर वाले यहाँ पे जो सत्संग में आ रहे हैं क्या सोच रहे हैं, तो पागल ही हो गए बच्चे, है ना? तो थोड़ा बहुत घर वाले सबको कुछ ना कुछ तो कहते ही है ना? मम्मी बोलती है खाना छोड़ दिया, उसमें भी मम्मी ज्ञान दे देती है बड़ा सा, है ना? तो ये तो मम्मी पापा ऐसे चलता है, थोड़ा बनता है उनका, बोलने दो. Don't, what I'm saying is don't resist these thoughts. What happens is, oh, I'm scared of the flight. Yeah, how should I solve it? This, that. So it keeps you more involved. Yeah, I'm scared of the flight. Okay, big deal. I am scared. It's okay. One fear is allowed in life. Don't try to solve it. You will see over time why I'm saying it. Are you coming to Rishikesh, my dear?
तो अभी मुझे अभी उस टाइम पे मैं कहाँ होती, because I have to keep coming here and there. I'll just see the dates and all there. So,
If you are going from here, then maybe you can travel with somebody from the Sangha.
अच्छा.
So you won't be as scared, is what I'm saying.
I'm traveling by train. I love train journey. तो वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Yeah,
राजधानी साइड का. वैसे ही आना जाना है.
And if you want to go, you can maybe travel with me. If you have this fear, we'll see through it. We'll see what happens.
I'm traveling with
13th May. If you're going early, then you go. I'll go on the day of the retreat and be back the day it ends. Ramdas will share. Whoever is in touch with her, Ramdas can share. So that is one option to see it through with me. Pankid had come in our last Rishikesh retreat. She was very scared of the water. She was acting like she's seeing a ghost, seeing water. We had gone to this beautiful waterfall. This time we won't go. We don't have any good ones nearby, but she was acting like she saw a ghost, trembling and shaking. And we went into the water together, and she was like, Krishna, 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 Krishna. She was so scared. And then she was perfectly fine. She was not coming out of the water then. She was sitting there and she was like, we were like, let's go. And it's just the mind makes it up, you know, a lot more than it really is. So it's okay, you're allowed. Don't try to fix it, because in the fixing more attention goes. Like supposing मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं है रामदास, रामदास पसंद नहीं है, हाँ, then I keep thinking I don't like Ramdas. Ramdas doesn't like me. He keeps thinking that's not possible. You dare do this, huh? But I'm just thinking I don't like him. I don't like him. Then what will happen? It will just increase the hatred. The mind plays this game, my dear, just by keep on thinking about it. So counter it by saying हाँ मुझे डर लगता है भाई, मुझे पता है.
मैंने जो मतलब अवेयरनेस से अगर समझ में आ रहा है कि वो ना कुछ एरियाज में आने लगा है, कुछ पता नहीं हमका क्या कारण है, जो पहले नहीं था. कुछ हो सकता है कि कुछ रीजंस मतलब जो साइकोलॉजिकली बोलते हैं कि आई डोंट नो रीजन, लेकिन तो वो मैं चाहती नहीं कि बढ़े. जैसे मैंने बहुत वोटिंग भी किया है, तो मैं मतलब ये कॉमनली आ रहा है, तो आई वुड वांट टू
Yeah, it's good to expose it. And if you keep coming to satsang, see in one satsang, this is how much I can do, you know. तो आप you know, the satsangs, there's no cost to come here, you know, to satsang. There's no cost at all. It's only this retreat because of basic survival that I need, you know. But apart from that, even that is a small part of it, you know. अगर आप if you can dive into this process, it will help you, my dear. But क्या है कि हमें घुसना भी नहीं है और solution भी चाहिए. तो उस ढंग से वो काम नहीं करेगा. I'll just be very honest, you know. तो आपको डूबना पड़ेगा, है ना, थोड़ा. And if you do, my dear, then when God fills your heart, then you get a different courage. You know, there are things like I'll tell you guys, मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा fear जो था पहले, वो था कि लोगों के सामने आके बोलना. आपको लगेगा भी नहीं कि ऐसा हो सकता है. मुझे भी नहीं याद था ऐसे कि कभी. If I think of it, I can't imagine this girl ever being afraid of that, you know, but this girl was. I used to be petrified. मतलब my knees would be knocking, stage fright, voice wouldn't come out, scared. And कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. अब मुझे नहीं लग रहा डर. तो क्योंकि मैंने भगवान की शरण ली. I turned to him and I dived into it. You know, these things sound very boring to the mind, but it's really something. I dived into him and he helped me. If you show him the interest, God wants to see that you are interested. Then he supports you. But God will not come knocking at your door and say, आओ बेटा बाहर आओ. He is very patient. से अच्छा ये लाइफ भी ले लो, वेस्ट. आप उनको दिखाओगे तो वो पक्का आपको बुलाएंगे. आप नहीं दिखाएंगे तो वो नहीं बुलाएंगे.
तो अगर जैसे मैं एक बार जैसे शाम कृष्ण भगवान का, तो पहले था तो थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा आयुर्वेदिक में, आयुर्वेदन पढ़ाते हुए, तो अब उसको अनलर्न कैसे करें जो हुआ समझ ले, मतलब
तो धीरे 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 अनलर्न कैसे करें, धीरे धीरे. यहाँ पे बहुत से बच्चे
भजन सुनती हो ना, तो वो श्यामा का है कि आन मिलो वृंदावन में मेरी उम्र बीत गई वो. तो उसको मुझे लगता है कि फिर हमने उसमें पढ़ा है, तो मैं मतलब आई वॉन्ट बी वन में, तो मैं क्या इसको समझ के पहले मैं एंजॉय करती थी इसको भजन को ना बहुत ज्यादा. अभी मैं सुनती तो एक दिमाग का एक थॉट आता है उसमें बीच में कि मैं क्वालिटी क्रिएट कर रही हूँ क्या, आप समझ रहे हो. तो
no,
फिर
it's
परेशान.
not. It's not. You will always be lesser than God. Always. You can never be one with him, and you are one with him. So this the mind can't understand. I am one with him, and yet I'll never be worthy of his one glimpse of his toenail also. But I have to want it. तो ये बातें आपको दिमाग में आ रहे हैं ना, ये थॉट्स, वो दिमाग की प्रॉब्लम है, आपको दिल में उतरना है ना.
तो उसको हटा इग्नोर करते हैं.
Of course, that ignoring, that process of letting thoughts come and go. Listen to me. Thoughts will come, you allow them to come and go. रुक तो नहीं सकते. अभी अगर आप सोचें कि मीरा ने सफेद कपड़े पहने, ये थॉट रोक दो वहीं पे. रुक सकता है?
नहीं.
आता है जाता है, आपको बार बार सोचना पड़ेगा. अगर रुक जाता थॉट तो फिर तो हम अटक गए ना, वहीं बैठे रहे, फिर अटक गए. थॉट का नेचर है, वो आ रहा है और जा रहा है, आ रहा है और जा रहा है. आपका बस एक काम है, उसको जाने दो. आप क्या करते हैं? उसको घर में बुला लेते हैं. उसको घर में बुलाना प्रॉब्लम है, वो अपने आप नहीं हो रहा, आप बुला रहे हैं उसको. And what is that बुलाना? It's belief. You are believing it. So as you have a power to not believe your mind.
Okay.
Exercise that power. And don't try to make it about you. Keep it on God. It's a beautiful song which you are saying. Shama an milo Vrindavan में, मेरी उम्र बीत गई गोकुल में, है ना? It's beautiful. We used to go to Vrindavan all the time. So we used to hear it all the time, these songs, you know. And
मतलब क्या होता है, ऑफिस जाते हैं तो ब्रिंग टीयर्स, राइट.
of course,
बट जो मैंने बोला कि मैंने ये भी नोटिस किया, तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि ये मतलब जैसे कहते हैं ना, डाउट क्रिएट करता है. पहले
करता
नहीं
है.
करता था.
हाँ, क्योंकि पहले आप गहरे में नहीं उतर रहे थे ना. जब आप थोड़ा डीप जाना चाहें, सपोजिंग इन द बिगिनिंग, इट्स लाइक दैट. नो, एनी सॉन्ग वी हियर, भक्ति सॉन्ग लाइक हनुमान चालीसा, वी लव इट, वी लव इट. बट अगर आपको बोले हर रोज करना है, बाय द 10th or 15th or 3rd month, it will come and say, ये तो this is what's happening with everyone. शुरू में प्रेयर में, oh we are praying, oh we are praying. फिर जैसे उसमें उतरना है deeply, then the mind will create all this. Because you are drowning and you are having tears of devotion, it's going to bring doubt. It is not going to bring doubt वहां पे जहाँ पे आपको वैसे ही फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. वहां पे लाएगा ना ये डाउट. इसका काम ये है कि आपको, the job of the mind is to keep you away from God's light. Remember this. The job of the mind in the human condition is to keep us away from God's light. It's doing its job very well. जो लड़की इतना प्रेम में उतर रही है, भगवान को प्यार कर रही है कृष्णा के भजन में, भजन is God himself. It's a darshan of his presence in our heart. God, the mind hates it. The mind hates it. It doesn't want you to come near God. It will do everything to take you away from it, from him.
वो जो वेदांता का प्रिंसिपल ये जो भी है, उसी को लॉजिकल, जैसे आपने बोला कि
Logic
दिखा
is
के,
not Vedanta.
दिखा के नहीं, मतलब उसको दिखा के डाउट क्रिएट कर रहा है आप.
But that's not Vedanta
हाँ.
or Advaita. Advaita is where you don't use your mind. He is there, only he is there. Then how come you are there? Advaita Vedanta is that only he is there. How come you are there? Bhakti is that only he is there. How come you are there? It's all one. This is one teaching. So दिमाग से जो आजकल हमने spirituality सीखी है, वो अपने आप उतरेगी जब आप ढंग के उधर आएंगे, एक जगह में आएंगे जहाँ you are being guided in the proper way, है ना? And slowly. So if you say, oh, it's not going and all, of course it won't go in 2 minutes. How much did you try today? How much did you try today to meet God? The whole day.
पहले बस सुबह ना, मतलब
बस थोड़े देर ना.
सुबह, हाँ थोड़ी देर.
तो वैसे थोड़ी ना ये चीजें होती हैं. बाकी संत महात्मा पागल थोड़ी ना पूरी जिंदगी देती है ना. तो आपको क्या है, आपके अंदर जो बीज है उसको आपको पानी देना है, और ताकि वो इट स्प्राउट्स, you know, you taste the fruits of your devotion. It takes effort. मीराबाई की लाइफ में आसान थी, हनुमान जी की लाइफ आसान थी, एनी भक्ता उनकी लाइफ आसान थी. हमें चाहिए आसान स्पिरिचुअलिटी. तो आप आप अपने आप को don't underestimate yourself. Give yourself the highest examples and then try to emulate them. That is the life of a bhakta, like we were talking, or a seeker of truth. You know? So keep showing up, my dear. You know, if you show up, it will help you. Thank you. Remember what I said. Let the thoughts come and go. Even now, you've gone back into your head. Don't. You know, just let them come and go. Come and go. Stay, stay, stay. Come and go. Come. अभी भी दिमाग कुछ कुछ बोल रहा है.
नहीं बस मुझे आपने भजन का बोला ना तो अब मैं तो सिर्फ सुनूंगी तो मैं उसे अलाउ मतलब वो
बिल्कुल.
आई लेट इट गो मैं एंजॉय
Of course. And all the bhajans, it will do that with everything where you enjoy God. ये याद रखना आप. हम कभी मिले ना मिले, ये सब याद रखना कि जो भी चीज आपको भगवान के पास लेके आएगी ये वहां डाउट क्रिएट करेगा और उसको ट्रांसेंड करना, वो करेज चाहिए एक सीकर को. वो करेज नहीं है तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी वो डेड है. वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी नहीं है जहां थोड़ी काफी एफर्ट नहीं लगती. जहां पूरी एफर्ट नहीं लगती वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी नहीं है ना. जहां प्रभु जी की प्रेजेंस है, उनकी भक्ति है, उनकी मिठास है, बट पूरी पूरी एफर्ट भी है. बट वो एफर्ट दुनिया की एफर्ट जैसे नहीं है, लाइक वी आर कैरिंग अ load of stuff. No, it's the inner battle is on, where the mind is throwing things and we are learning to bypass them by not believing them. Mhm. Very good. I'm so happy you said it. Good. Everybody else is okay? So happy to see you all. Mhm. Hey, my loves. I feel this is good. Just practice what I've said. Apply it. Don't just hear it like a good talk. Mhm. I'm very happy that almost all of us who are here will be in Rishikesh soon together. And I'm looking forward to it because it's been a long time I've met all of you. So I'm very, very happy and looking forward to it. Thank you all. Love you all. Love you all so much. Thank you all. Sadhguru Shri Ananta Ji ki Jai Ho. Bye bye. Thank you.